The real adventure begins now. In a world where you are stepping into the unknown, for many, the path ahead is unclear, filled with questions and uncertainty. Welcome to a groundbreaking webinar. The future is yours to shape. Embark on a journey that will ignite your career. Take the first step towards a brighter future because your potential deserves to be unlocked. A career path that's uniquely yours. What if you could turn this uncertainty into opportunity? What if you could discover a path that aligns with your true potential? Ignite your career today.